Good day. Today, I will show you how doctors can review and sign forms. First, we need to list all the forms the doctor needs to review and sign. To do that, you will need to access the PX portal and go to Configuration. Click on Forms Configuration to reveal the drop-down, and then under Review and Sign Forms, there is a drop-down where you can select the forms you want the doctor to sign. For this instance, I will add the authorization. Make sure you click on the Update button to save. Once this is configured, the patient can now fill out the form normally. Let's assume that the patient already filled out the form. The doctor can go ahead and access the form of that patient by going to the portal and clicking the Review and Sign Forms button. Once you're inside the Review and Sign Form page, you will now see all patient forms that are pending for doctor to sign. To this instance, I searched for our patient so we can easily find it, and then we click on Review and Sign. The doctor can now review the form that was signed by the patient on the first page, and then the doctor can sign on the next page. Once signed by the doctor, the forms will be available at the imaging folder of the patient, including the original form and the form reviewed by the doctor. And that is it. That is how the doctor can review and sign the form. Thank you so much for watching.
See you on the next video.